This is my unboxing and testing of this thumb camera that I purchase on an online shopping app. But before that, kindly support this channel. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. I've purchased this device in around €50 price range. And if you saw these advertised on your social media account, then watch this video as I test this device. As written in the box, that this has stabilization features that allow to take a smooth video footage with 4K resolution. And this device is categorized as an action camera. And this support with Wi-Fi connectivity setup. So scan this QR code to download the app. This is M11 model with 1000 milliamp hours battery capacity, with an input current of 5 volts and 1 ampere. Let's unbox this first. To start with, this manufacturer info, and the user manual, which it has printed QR code to download the app. Either you take video and capture photo using the physical button, or controlling the device using the app. And they included this 32 gigabyte of micro SD card. But don't worry, the seller description says it supports up to 256 gigabytes of micro SD card. And you have two ways to charge this device. The first one, using this Type-C charging cable. This cable serves also as a direct transfer of data. The other way is using this magnetic pin type charging cable, but this magnetic pin is just for charging only. Both ways must be connected to a 5 volts and 1 ampere travel adapter. And this magnetic suspension rope, which this is placed under your shirt to hold the camera. Make it sure you're using a frame with magnetic function. And this is the proper side to attach the magnetic support. So there are 3 options to support the camera. Let's start with this back clip style frame. This type of clip is very usable on attaching in backpack strap, and most likely the landscape mode is applicable in taking a video or photo shoot. And the other one is this rotating back clip, which is perfect in adjusting the angle. And most likely it is in a portrait mode, a video or photo you can take. And this frame has magnetic supports, which either can use the magnetic suspension rope or attached on any metal surfaces, or use a clip-style function instead. The problem with these frames is that those are very fragile. I am very careless with my devices, and I have one of those frame which is broken already, and I'm worried since I can't purchase those accessories separately. And this one is just a frame with magnetic function, and either can be attached on magnetic suspension rope or in any metal surfaces. And this is the best in any angle, portrait or landscape mode. And finally, the device, which it is very light and made of a plastic material. As an overview, on this side it has 2 buttons only, which are the power button or video start button, and down of it is the Wi-Fi or the photo shutter button. And this down part side is the charging port / a direct data transfer port, and the micro SD card slot is located. And since this is waterproof device, then this is covered with rubber. And most importantly is the camera. Then down of the camera is the light indicator. At the back is 1.47-inch SPI display, and down of it is the magnetic style charging port. And here's the tutorial on how this buttons works. On the upper part, do long press the power button to turn on the device. And you will notice the blue light indicator is in steady mode, which means it is only turn on. Still in the upper button. Then do short press to start taking video. And the maximum time duration in each video recording is 10 minutes. So how to know if the device is already in recording mode? If the device is operated through the device physical button to take video, then a blue light indicator is blinking. But if the device is connected to your smartphone by using the device Wi-Fi, and the camera is navigated by the app, then the green light indicator will be blinking. And to take photo, then do short press the button which the Wi-Fi and the camera icon is located. That serves as shutter function. And to turn on the Wi-Fi, then do long press the button you used in taking photo, and in the screen, the Wi-Fi icon appears. And if the app isn't yet connected via Wi-Fi of the device, then the green light indicator is in steady mode. And when it is binded already with your smartphone, then the blue and green light is blinking. And these are the sample video taken by the device, day and night, as well as sample photos. Just a quick look on how the app works. The app is very easy to navigate. First thing is, when you open the app, whatever device that supports this app will be automatically recognized when the Wi-Fi function of the devices turn on. By the way, you can transfer all the saved files into your laptop, either to remove the micro SD card and insert it into a card reader, or using the charging cable as direct transfer. When the device is binded in the app, taking video or photo is the only main button of the app. Accessing the camera through an app is a much convenient way since the device is placed at the backpack strap or connected into magnetic suspension rope. Just to clarify, there is no zooming function. But in my case, I used to edit videos on my phone. Wi-Fi function is an easy way for me. So to transfer files into your phone, then either press and hold the video to select or press the select button, then mark the desired video. On the lower part, press download, and the video will be directly saved into the phone. Well, I am just confused. In the box, and even when the devices turn on, it was written as 4K, and yet in the app supports only 2K resolution, and the maximum time duration on recording a video is 10 minutes. And the video format either MP4 or Video Transport Stream File, TS. And here's the sample video at night. For me, the quality of the camera is excellent if I will consider the price of the device. It is also a perfect companion for those who has motorbike, e-bike, or scooter rider as a body cam. At the same time, on rainy days, taking video must go on because of the waterproof capabilities. The downside of it, since this has only 1000 mAh battery capacity, well, it takes an hour of usage only. So better bring always a power bank. But I don't recommend using this device while charging. Using this on a rough roads or rocky surfaces as the stabilization function doesn't work well. And in my test, using this while walking, the video is shaky. Then watch till the end as I show also a sample video while walking at daytime. And here are some photo sample taken on this device. As you notice, taking video while walking is not suitable on this device since the stabilization function doesn't work well, even though the image quality of the camera is great. And because of that, it compromises the quality of the video due to a weak stabilization function. On the other side, using this device while riding on a scooter or bike or motorbike, then this is perfect. Well, the camera is great, but a 4K resolution, I bet it is not. I may say a 2K resolution probably. And besides, the device is very light. Carrying this all the time isn't a problem. Just an advice. A patience is needed since it takes only an hour of usage in taking a video. And the solution, a power bank, is your companion. Mind you guys, you can have a great video using this device depending upon your creativity. In your opinion, how was those sample videos and photos? Please leave your comments below. Just a reminder, the device doesn't have the magnetic function, so it needs always those 3 pieces of frame. But the problem is, those frames are fragile. And one of those frames I have was damaged already, and I can't find any of those accessories online. Using a magnetic pin charging doesn't work when those frames is attached, unless the last frame I showed to you, which it has a hole for magnetic pin style. On charging time, the moment it is plugged in, it will automatically turn on. So an advice, better turn off the screen while on charging. And the red light indicator is on while on charging. And when it is full, the light indicator is off. And that's it. If you reach until this video, then thank you so much. Your support is highly appreciated. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave your thoughts about this device below. Thank you.